How to design flower beds online. If you love outdoor flower gardening but can never decide where to place your flower beds, designing your flower beds online can be an easy and convenient way to try different flower bed designs. There are several websites that allow gardeners to design their own flower beds using simple click and drag tools. Some websites allow you to choose between several different types of flowers, while others allow you to add decks, patios and fences to your landscaping scheme. Things you will need: measuring tape, sketchbook. Select a spot in your yard where you would like to place a flower bed. Measure the area and record the dimensions in a sketchbook. The measurements will come in handy later when it's time to design your flower beds online. Visit the bbc.com's virtual garden. See resources. The easy-to-use online garden design tool allows you to create an online layout of your flower beds using a template or your own dimensions. Choose from several different types of flowers, trees and other plants. You can also add flower bed edging and decorative fences. The BBC Virtual Garden even has a feature that helps you learn what types of flowers are suitable to plant together in your garden. Use the free Better Homes and Gardens Plan a Garden tool to design your own flower garden. See resources. After registering with the bhg.com, use your mouse to select different types of flowers to place in your flower bed. You can also add shrubs, trees, ponds, decks and fences to your garden. The online program allows you to save your work or to send your design to a friend. Consider purchasing a subscription to the Plan 3D online landscaping tool for more complicated gardening projects. See resources. For a fee of $2.95 a month, you can choose from over 5,000 landscaping elements, such as flowers, plants and trees. Unlike the free garden design programs, Plan 3D allows you to create 3D renderings of your flower gardens. Print your design and take it with you to a local landscape nursery. Reference the flower bed design when purchasing flowers and other landscaping materials. Tips. Warnings. After you're finished designing your flower beds, place a copy of your completed design in a folder that you can easily access when it's time to design your flower beds next year.